Alright, let's do this. This is primitive. The year is 2024, folks. It's time to stop shooting Nerf guns by hand and let the computers take over. So the idea is to create a crossbow-like construction. But now you might ask, Roboter, how are you going to recognize if something is in front of it? Well, let me introduce you to the ultrasonic sensor. It sends out sound waves, which then will bounce back from the objects and give out the sensor a value. If something is in front of the sensor, it will return the signal faster, which we then can use in combination with an Arduino to recognize that something is in front of it. As a base, we will be using this PVC pipe, which the Nerf darts fits perfectly in. We'll just have to cut it up a bit. I then 3D printed a bunch of parts, so let's get building. And after that compilation, I only had to do some light coding and connect some cables to Arduino. And now, it's ready for testing. You do have to manually load it, which is kind of annoying. But hey, as long as it works. And the dart has to be shaken into the chamber. I know. But when it actually shoots, it do have some power. Boom. And look at that recoil. But that wasn't dramatic enough. Yeah, sometimes you just have to take a step back and ask yourself, what am I doing with my life? Well, that was anticlimactic. And yeah, the sensor didn't really recognize it at first, but hey, it kinda works. And hopefully you find this video at least a little entertaining. So, if you do, please subscribe. See you next time.